Polls show Senator Bernie Sanders as the early leader among Democrat presidential candidates. And now that his big Medicare for All plan is out, Sanders' primary opponents are either fighting it or trying to get a piece of the action. Bernie's big pitch.
Together, we are going to end the international embarrassment of the United States of America, our great country, being the only major nation on earth not to guarantee health care to all as a right.
Is setting the stage for a 2020 drama.
I don't agree with Senator Sanders' the single-payer approach.
While some Democrats are backing away from Medicare for All,
it could be a possibility in the future.
Others are embracing it.
Healthcare must be a right, not a privilege.
Kirsten Gillibrand is one of 4 Senate Democrats running for president who backs the idea.
This has to become the next social safety net. It has to become something that is there for you no matter what.
That safety net could prove dangerously expensive. Independent estimates put the plan costing anywhere from $25 to $35 trillion over just 10 years.
That price is so steep that even left-leaning analysts are quietly admitting that the tax burden is virtually certain to land on the middle class.
Majority Leader Mitch McConnell could bring the bill to the Senate floor to make a point.
It might be interesting to put a Medicare for All plan on the floor for a vote, see where Democrats really stand.
Republicans like North Dakota's Kevin Kramer say a vote would showcase divisions among Democrats.
They will quickly gravitate back closer to the middle where reality exists.
Under the plan, some 180 million Americans would see their private health insurance replaced with a public plan.
What you end up with is you don't have Medicare for All, you have a bunch of people that have inferior or no coverage.
The White House says Republicans are working on realistic solutions. President Trump says a really great health care plan will be ready right after the 2020 election.
I personally think there's some risk in that approach.
Indiana Republican Mike Braun says his party has to come up with a fix for a basket case health care system.
We've got to be unveiling it and building it into 2020. And maybe the formal presentation can be after 2020.
Medicare for All is shaping up to be the Obamacare of 2020. Meanwhile, McConnell says the Republican plan isn't ready for prime time. The GOP may want to consider changing their timetable to seize an opportunity, especially with Democrats currently divided on how to fix health care. Reporting from Capitol Hill, Abigail Robertson, CBN News.